go here, select this, and it'll download it for you. Already have it down. It's downloaded. Go ahead and double click it. Run the installer. Whichever one you want. Run it. Then once it's loaded, you'll have to do the setup. Connect your Google. Then here, until I get this verified, you will have to hit advanced and go to the Colosseum. Then select these two permissions. And the same with challenge. If you've already signed in, it will actually be really fast. And you're all set. And from here, I would suggest actually going to settings. Then you can double check that it's still connected. Change the appearance. And also select a GIF. All right, now back. In the home page, it tells you where you need to go and kind of where you're at. And it will take you there instantly. So we'll just do a quick test. Colors. The time next week, 10 p.m. If you don't want it, you just toggle it off. And if it's optional, just don't put anything in it. Don't care about max players, so you need at least 4 players per team. You'll do a snake draft. And here, you'll get your form. From here, just at that address bar, double click. Go on a word there, and just copy that out. And paste that in there. If you already have signatures, you can just hit fetch, and they will pull them all in. After you hit save, and if you hit update form details, it'll actually push what we put here on there. So let's go ahead and see. So then next, we get the signups, and once they're closed, you would go into the draft. And then from here, we have our options. You can spin. And confirm. Final. Set. Start the timer. Change the timer. The drag. Well as in seconds. See, when I reset, it'll set back to what I selected. Confirmed. Let's just say we got everybody's taken care of. But as you see here, we have an uneven amount of teams. People. But now we have extra people. Manual. Let's just drag and drop. Actually start. Drag and drop. That's good to know. From here, you would drop down. And if we want to just throw a random whale, we can just do that. actually put some one after the other. And if we don't, then we would just, if they decided they want to get respinned, boop, respun. And let's just assign all and save it. So here we have our teams, and if we push the challenge, oh, it pushed. Let's open that up and see what that looks like. Yep. But wait, there's more. You start it, you can port your scores. Oh. And once it's all done, you can clear it all out. Start over. That is the Colosseum.